Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Before daily, I shoot my vlog when I go duty, then when I come back that time. So today my off day. That's why I don't go duty. 1 week, 1 day I have the off day. So that's why I make the out of the video. So I'm Rajesh. I'm from Nepal. So my vlog content in Saudi Arabia for an employer as a coffee maker in Saudi Arabia, how we survive the daily life. Then, for more one thing, who will already is in Saudi Arabia, then who want to come in Saudi Arabia, not from just Nepal, from any country. So, who doesn't know daily life, how to survive, then who want to come in Saudi Arabia, actually what we expectation, so what we get the reality. So this is Saudi Arabia. So maybe people see is this is just something the normal. I shoot the blog, just I upload. Maybe you think you see is easy, but it's not like this easy. So we many things sacrifice in Saudi Arabia living time. Like now I am in Saudi Arabia. So no one I have to live alone, just like the without family, without friend, just like go duty, even the different countries. We cannot compare our country than in Saudi Arabia between two countries. So many things we have to found different. So we have to must be the survive that situation. So every day hard working, every day work different language. We have to work many country people together one place. That's why many things we have to survive. No one feeling, no one doesn't understand you hard, you loyal, you misunderstanding. That's why many things we have to survive, sacrifice. That's why I try to be people can take from my this video can take the advice how to survive at that moment, that timing. Then daily life, what we have the problem, how we get the solution like that. So before we come Saudi Arabia, we have the more thing expectation. So what we get expectation, so what we get the reality. I want to explore the people to know in Saudi Arabia how to daily life survive. So I have 1 day, 1 week off day. That's why my off day, my accommodation near I came out and near have many coffee shop. I visit, then I meet the many people, then I talk. I be the myself the refreshness. So this is my blog. People can understand, can take inspiration how to survive the daily life alone in Saudi Arabia. So whenever I start the blog, that time I speak the Nepali language. But after I do it everyday blog, then many people asking to me what I talking in the video. So many people I cannot every person, each a person I cannot explain to him. That's why I try to speak the English. That's why all people can take easily. This my video can understand easily. So now just my want to explore in Saudi Arabia daily life, how we survive. So what do we get expectation? What do we get reality? So this is maybe people think is the normal. It is the whatever you want to you can see now digital time. It's just like the video, but I have different. So what different is what do you get reality, what do you expectation. So my duration time in Saudi Arabia 4 year and half. So even I not go one time in vacation in Nepal. That's why people can take from my video more advice, then more inspiration without family, without friends, just work, daily work, without any work, supporting, just work, you be alone like that. So this is also there have inside my friend. So this is place I came before the many time. That's why many people is know I am here. Many people came here. Then many people talk with me. Ah, thank you, madam. But I think it's not better. If I take the video, maybe it become big. So this place, every shop, I know there have the many people, the employer, in the coffee maker. Everyone I know. That's why now I think it's the for me it's a good timing. So this is my off day. I enjoy the time all the time. When I go duty, I make video. When I come back, that time also I make video. Even now today my off day. That's why I came outside just like the visit new shop, just visit the my friend coffee shop. So people is think the easy in Saudi Arabia, just like that you can make the easy video. But many people can understand now what I exploring, what I get reality, what do you face the every situation, how you can survive. So this is my vlog. Before every day I use the sunglass because that time is more sun. That's why I cannot properly can see the camera. But now is night, so I don't wearing the sunglass. Just like that. So I try to see in this video like that. This is the reality. Even the same place, even I shoot the movie daytime is nothing here. No, because this is just night become the good scene. That's why I can see properly like that. So I try to take outside the camera. I think it's I think this one is good. Maybe little bit I have to go the front of the after I can see. Uh, hello,
Hello guys.
welcome,
Hi.
welcome to my blog. Are you all barista? So I make just for a barista for what we survive the daily life. All barista after duty finish, we go buy food the market. So this is a very good place. So every weekend off day, I came to this place because this place is I like it. Very peaceful, very spacious. Lot of the space we can walk anywhere. So this is the scene. So properly I can see from there. From this front side, three building, and back side, I think four building. So that's why we also I want to come here. Also I came here because this place is very peaceful. It's a good place. So this one is very. So I like that daily life survive. Then I want to explore in Saudi Arabia, daily life, how to survive. That's why today my off day. I take video, then I upload. Then who already in Saudi Arabia, that guy is knows Saudi Arabia how he survive daily life. So now my time is close the camera. Just 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Just my camera, my video just for YouTube. So I think I have to close the camera. So I have to close the camera right now.